Hi guys, looking in the current smartphone market, we can see that we are getting a very good configuration phones now at the very cheaper price. So the market of other good cell phones like Samsung and Sony, they are going down. So I thought of just reviewing that why I should go for a good company smartphone compared to this our which we are getting say some better hardware on very cheaper rate. Okay, so do they worth, or whatever price I am paying for a good reputed company's smartphones, is it worth or not? So let us have a quick review of Samsung series uh, Galaxy Note 3 which I have in my hand, Neo. Okay, so it cost around 24,000 in Indian market. So let us see that what is the difference between this and the smartphones coming in the same range from other new companies. Okay, so first difference what I notice is they are having one multi windows option. So you can set your applications here, and what you can do, like you can open one application, okay, and again if you want to open some other in the second half, you can open the second application of yours. Okay, so by this way what I can see, like this is one thing that Samsung have. Okay, so this thing I can get through some app also, right? So let's move out of this is the first thing. Now the second thing, their camera, they have their own optimized camera, okay, with a lot of different modes they are providing. Okay, so and the performance is quite good compared to other smartphones or normal pure Android camera. Okay, so that is a second point. Third point, what I can see, like they have a air view option. So I have never seen any low range phone these things. Like if you can see, I just need to have my hand up of that. Okay, I'm not even touching it, and I'm just holding my hand there, and I'm getting what the message there. Okay, so this is one thing which is at the software and Samsung provides to us from their side. Okay, so the next thing is a screen capturing. This facility I have never seen in other companies high-end phones. Okay, so just what you need to do, this is my current screen, I want to send to my friend. So I'll just I'll just swipe my hand over here, so it will, that's it, I will capture my current screen. Okay, I think I have not enabled it, so let me first quickly check it, that is it enabled. Hands free, arm motion, yes, right to left. Okay, so here, yeah, it's done. I can see this is my screen got captured, and this is my current screen, and my captured screen I can share to by any media I can share or save. Okay, so this is the second thing. Third thing, and the most different thing is Galaxy Note series Samsung smartphones comes with a S Pen view. Okay, so here you have lot of options, right? According to that you can use with your pen. Okay, so let me quickly go with a screenwriter. It will capture the screen, and you can write on and send it out, or you can have one pen window. See, I'll show you what is the pen window, right? I'll just tap this. Okay, pen window, and what I'll do, I'll just draw a small window on my current screen itself. Okay, and here I can open any application I want to open out. Okay, like, okay, let me open some dialer, or it will be opening here itself, like that. Okay, so this is one thing, and also it has some preloaded applications which works quite fine with pen which you might not be able to work that much smoothly like a sketchbook. Okay, so you can create your own sketch in your smartphone itself using this sketchbook. They have a lot of pen options. It's from CAD, so you will be getting all CAD like facilities over here. Okay, so I'm not saying that you can't get in other phones, but as you do not have that much smoothness with your finger as you can get through pen. Okay, so that is one thing. Apart from that, they have some motion related things also, like if you let me open some picture. Where is my gallery? Yeah, they have one group play also. So group play, same video, you can share your screen between 3 or 4 mobiles. Anyhow, I'll post another video on the same thing. Or any song you can play through 3 to 4 devices at the same time. So I'll share one more video on the same thing again. Coming to, yeah, here is my gallery. Okay, I'll go to gallery, I'll open my videos, and I'll open some video, and if you see here, I'll just put my finger at any point and I can get it enlarged. Okay, or like I can open just this point and can get it enlarged just by moving so like that facilities they are providing, which are quite different and quite helpful. If you are in some class, you can get note of something, and that kind of things we have. So really they worth the difference they are putting, apart from the hardware cost, which normal smartphone companies are providing this better hardware, but they are not too much optimized to give you the same level of performance which you can get through Samsung smartphones or Sony and this type of companies. Okay. So we'll review other phones in future. Thank you.